Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Jaguar key. This was mainly used on a Jaguar XF model, however we found it on other models as well, starting from 2007 up until 2012. So in order to get to the battery, you'll have to remove the emergency blade with the push of a button. You have this button on the side here, and with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, you have a couple of gaps here on each side which release the sides of the key, okay, the chrome sides. When you release them, place them on each side because they have a guide here which needs to be aligned. So I've taken off the left side, I'm putting it on the left, and I've got the right side to remove now, and we'll put it on the right side. Okay, now when the key is opened, you have to push the back of the case and release the battery. Be careful when you're opening the case so you don't push this button out or anything, or you don't damage any of the components inside. Once you got to the battery, with the help of the screwdriver, just remove the battery, and in our case it's a CR2032. When put back in, follow the sign as well, is a positive side down. Once you've placed the battery back into position, take the rest of the case and align it together. It clips, and then we turn the key around at left side. Again, these ones are clicking, and just to be sure, you have the gap over here. Okay, it clicks into position, it clicks into position as well. Then we add the blade back in, and your Jaguar key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.